Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top stories of the day. Sunny Leone reveals how she mastered Lavani dance steps for her next film. Has Rhea Chakraborty's controversial image added to the value of her film? Kangna attacks Priyanka Chopra and Diljit Dosanjh for misleading farmers. Sanjay Dutt refuses a body double for KGF 2, will perform all stunts himself. अपनी लंबी छुट्टी से लौटते ही तैमूर ने अपनी बहन इनाया के साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया. And his mommy Kareena posted a super cute picture of this adorable bhai-behan ki jodi on her social media page. Inaya and Taimur are both super cute and super popular for their cuteness. The couples are often spotted spending time together either with their families on holidays or playing with each other at each other's homes, whether it's Taimur's or Inaya's. Mommy Soha and Kareena can't help but share lots of pictures of this cute twosome who seem to be very fond of each other. Kareena and Taimur just returned from the hills after an extended Diwali break while Saif filmed for his upcoming film Bhoot Police. After being away from Mumbai for almost 3 weeks, looks like it was time for little Taimur to catch up with his favorite sister Inaya, who is the daughter of Saif's sister Soha and her husband actor Kunal Khemu. Looks like the super cute bhai-behan jodi spent time together at one of their homes and mommy Kareena captured a lovely picture of the two happily posing together for the camera. फोटो में तैमूर और इनाया एक साथ सोफा पे बैठे हैं and are holding on to each other lovingly as they smile and pose like pros for Kareena's camera. Bebo is very fond of Inaya and often shares cute posts and pictures that capture her love for her niece. Kareena captioned this special picture, "Brothers and sisters forever," to emphasize the special bond that the two kiddos share. Not surprisingly, people have showered this picture with lots and lots of love with Karisma Kapoor, Amrita Arora and Ridhima Kapoor dropping lots of heart emojis on the post. बहुत जल्द इनाया और तैमूर के साथ खेलने एक और नन्हा मेहमान आने वाला है. And Kareena is now in the last few months of her second pregnancy. The actor recently wrapped up work on her film Lal Singh Chadda and filmed 4 episodes of her chat show before taking a Diwali holiday come baby moon with Saif in Dharamshala and Palampur, where she and Taimur spent time taking long walks and learning pottery and cooking.
Press and
Looks like both Bebo and Taimur are happy to be back in the Bay and close to family again, and we can't wait to see more pictures of these cute little munchkins having fun together.
Kareena ma'am.
Kareena ma'am.
Ma'am, रुकिए.
Kareena ma'am.
Sir.
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. The rehearsals जो मैंने किया rehearsal hall में, गाड़ी में, घर में, बच्चे के सामने, I mean जो भी देखता चाहता था मैं उसके सामने प्रैक्टिस करती थी, रिहर्स करती थी. Learning the whole song बहुत difficult था और एक point था that in my head पूरा गाना कर सकती मेरे mind में and be able to do it was a very amazing experience. The stunningly beautiful Sunny Leone will be seen in a brand new avatar as a Lavani dancer in an upcoming period drama, The Battle of Bhima Koregaon. The movie, which also stars Arjun Rampal, Krishna Abhishek and Digangana Suryavanshi, will see Sunny play a spy who poses as a dancer.
Sunny Leone has spent most of the pandemic and lockdown in the US and seems to have returned to India only recently. Sunny, who looked lovely in a casual short white dress, spoke candidly about the many subjects including learning Lavani, getting lead roles and the recent farmer protests in India. Take a look. Sunny Leone, who is known for her sensuous on-screen presence and fabulous dance skills, is playing a very special role in the upcoming film The Battle of Bhima Koregaon. ये फिल्म 2021 के सेकेंड हाफ में रिलीज होगी और 1795 से लेके 1818 के बीच में हुए हिस्टोरिक इवेंट्स को पोर्ट्रे करेगी. While not much is known about Sunny's role other than that she plays a spy posing to be a dancer. मीडिया इंटरैक्शन से ये पता चला कि वो पहली बार एक लावनी गाने पे डांस करेंगी. लावनी करने के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात करते हुए सनी ने कहा,
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. रिहर्सल्स जो मैंने किया रिहर्सल हॉल में, गाड़ी में, घर में, बच्चे के सामने, जो भी देखता चाहता था मैं उसके सामने प्रैक्टिस करती थी, रिहर्स करती थी. लर्निंग द होल सॉन्ग बहुत डिफिकल्ट था और एक पॉइंट था दैट इन माय हेड पूरा गाना कर सकती मेरे माइंड में एंड बी एबल टू डू इट वाज अ वेरी अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस क्योंकि कभी-कभी चांस मिलता है ऐसे गाना करने के लिए एंड for me it's exciting because it's something different, it's something out of the zone जो मैंने किया and I was very very happy to see the song when I did.
When a journalist tried to put her in a tough spot by asking her if she would like to play more lead roles instead of just performing in item numbers, Sunny ने बहुत maturely इस question को handle किया. The actor said,
"It's not about the size of the role or what the role is. It's about do I enjoy to do it." And मेरा से एक ही फंडा है. अगर मुझे करना मैं करती हूँ. अगर चलता नहीं चलता वो मेरे ऊपर नहीं है, सबके ऊपर है ना. And I have to do my job. मेरा काम क्या है? जैसे आपका काम यही है. You're a journalist. मेरा काम is in the entertainment world. And जो भी है, अगर मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मुझे वो ही करना है. And if it doesn't work, there's nothing I can do about it. You know, you only can work with what's on your plate or thali. So I work with that, and my thinking is very rational, sir. I don't try and think outside of the zone that's not here on my plate. इतनी सारी चीजें मैं उसमें पिक करती हूँ. मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे क्या करना है.
When asked to comment about the ongoing farmers' protest and offer her views, Sunny ने कहा,
We have to support the people who feed us, जो हमको खाना देते हैं, जो इतना काम करते हैं, and they break their backs for us. And farmers are some of those people. And I feel bad that they're going to be out in the cold. They're going to be suffering on the streets right now. But I do hope that change on both sides is fair. So जब भी वो conclusion होता है on both sides for farmers and the government, then things have to change. We don't live in a different world. We live in this time, and we have to change according to that.
बहुत दिनों बाद सनी को मुंबई में देख के हम बहुत खुश हुए. And as always, the poise and dignity with which she conducts herself is truly remarkable. Sanjay Dutt may have battled cancer recently, but the actor is filming for the climax of KGF 2 without a body double. The actor who will play the antagonist Adhira in the film insisted कि वो सारे scenes खुद करेंगे. This has been a rough year for actor Sanjay Dutt, who was separated from his family by the pandemic and extended lockdown. And just when restrictions opened up and the actor resumed work, he was diagnosed with cancer. Lekin Sanju Baba, being the eternal fighter, bounced back from this setback as well and has been busy completing his professional commitments to films like Shamshera, Thorbaz, Bhuj, and is now busy completing KGF Chapter 2's climax, which will have some intense fight sequences. Two of Sanjay's upcoming films, Torbaz and Bhuj Pride of India, are all set for an online release, and after completing his portions on these movies, the actor immediately started work on KGF 2, where he will be seen in a completely new and hatke avatar as the antagonist Adhira. The makers have planned an epic climax for this pan-India project, which will see Kannada actor Yash play the hero Rocky opposite Sanjay. According to sources, film का पूरा high-octane climax एक coal mine के इर्द-गिर्द shoot किया जाएगा. And since the fight sequences are quite intense, the team suggested that Sanjay, who recently battled cancer, use a body double to film some of the scenes. But Sanjay, being the true Bollywood hero, has decided कि वो सारे scenes खुद ही करेंगे and refused the offer of using a body double. Sources close to the film have said, the entire climax of the film is being shot on a large scale with plenty of action. The team has upped the scale of action as compared to the original, and it's one of the USPs of the sequel. In addition to Yash and Sanjay Dutt, the film will also star Raveena Tandon in an important role. Raveena spoke about her character recently and said that she will be playing a politician in the film. I am playing a politician, a strong character. She is the hero as well as the villain of the film with a very interesting story arc. KGF 2 का हिंदी वर्जन फरहान अख्तर और रितेश सिडवानी प्रेजेंट करेंगे. And the movie is rumored to be several times more lavish and intense than the first one, which became a huge success. As per the original plan, the film was supposed to release this year. But with the pandemic and lockdown, the shoot couldn't be completed, so we will now have to wait till summer of 2021 to be finally able to see Sanjay Dutt in this highly anticipated film.
कंगना रनौत के निशाने पे दिलजीत दोसांझ के साथ अब प्रियंका चोपड़ा भी है. Kangna has lashed out on her fashion co-star who was supporting the farmers' agitation and accused celebrities like her and Diljit for misleading and encouraging the protests.
कंगना ने ऑन स्क्रीन तो एक ही बार पंगा लिया है, बट ऑफ स्क्रीन द एक्टर एंजॉयज टेकिंग पंगास ऑन ऑलमोस्ट एन एवरीडे बेसिस. After making several sensational comments and accusations in the Sushant Singh Rajput case and angering the Maharashtra government by comparing Mumbai to a conflict zone in Kashmir, Kangna ने अब farmers protest में भी अपना opinion express करना शुरू किया है. But as always, debate की जगह dramatic social media posts है और solutions की जगह ढेर सारी sensationalism.
The ongoing protests by farmers against a new bill that will impact the way they operate has created strong reactions on social media as well. Many celebrities from Bollywood and the Punjab music and film industries have come out in support of the farmers and asked that their concerns be heard. Priyanka Chopra Jonas had also shared a post in support of the farmers a few days ago and written, "Our farmers are India's food soldiers. Their fears need to be allayed. Their hopes need to be met." But looks like Priyanka has sown the seeds of a conflict with Kangna with her post. While she is already engaged in a nasty social media battle with singer-actor Diljit Dosanjh, Kangna has taken an objection to Priyanka expressing her opinion as well. But unfortunately, instead of engaging in an informed debate, she has resorted to making accusations and passing comments loaded with religious terms and ideas. दिलजीत के साथ नास्टी एक्सचेंज ऑफ वर्ड्स के बाद अब उन्होंने प्रियंका को भी क्रिटिसाइज किया है. Sharing posts where netizens have commented about the farmers demanding the release of jailed activists, Kangna ने कहा, "Problem is not just them, but each and every individual who supports them and opposes #FarmersBill 2020. They are all aware how important this bill is for farmers. Still, they provoke innocent farmers to incite violence, hatred, and Bharat Bandh for their petty gains."
Sharing a series of social media posts on the topic, Kangna proceeded to attack Priyanka and Diljit for making comments supporting the protests, but added कि उनकी यही misleading comments उन्हें rewards और media recognition देंगे. People like Diljit Dosanjh and Priyanka Chopra will be hailed by the left media for misleading and encouraging farmers' protests. And anti-India film industry and brands will flood them with offers, and English living in colonial hangover media houses will felicitate them with awards. Kangna added कि पूरा सिस्टम एंटी नेशनल्स की मदद करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है and people like her are too few in number to tackle a corrupt system. In a series of angry posts earlier, Kangna and Diljit had a social media spat after she shared a news report that identified an old woman Kangna had claimed was Bilkis Banno from the Shaheen Bagh protests as Maninder Kaur from Punjab. Diljit had accused Kangna of spreading false news, to which she had responded with calling him Karan Johar's pet. It seems like Kangna's arguments with other celebrities are likely to snowball into yet another nasty social media quarrel, and it seems only the government and farmers' representatives can now find a speedy solution to this protest. Their first film together was Sharpit, but looks like it turned out to be a blessing for Aditya Narayan and Shweta Agarwal, who were co-stars in the film and now 10 years later are husband and wife.
Aditya and Shweta married each other on the 1st of December after dating each other for 10 long years. मंदिर में 7 फेरे लेने के बाद the couple had a fun-filled reception and sangeet which was attended by close family and friends. Aditya and Shweta are all set to redecorate and move into their brand new 5-bedroom apartment in Andheri, but it looks like Aditya boyfriend से husband बनते ही अपना सुर भी बदल रहे हैं. Take a look.
The couple who married with just their family and close friends attending, given the lockdown restrictions, have been giving interviews as a married couple. After keeping a low profile on their relationship for 10 years, हमें finally इनकी love story की details पता चल रही है. आदित्य और श्वेता पहली बार फिल्म शापित के सेट्स पर मिले थे. श्वेता को आदित्य पसंद नहीं आए थे. Speaking to a portal, Shweta revealed what her first impression of Aditya was. I met him like how you meet a co-star. We got introduced and that was my first meeting. Short and sweet. I didn't think anything. Explaining her lack of interest in him, Aditya said कि उन दिनों वो अजीब तरह के डाइट्स करके अपने आप को फिट रखने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. अपने और श्वेता के बारे में और सीक्रेट शेयर करते हुए आदित्य ने बताया, As much as I was attracted to Shweta, I did not kind of tell her for a while. हम दोस्ती कर रहे थे, चिल करते थे, खाते पीते थे साथ में. But while they did have their meals together, Shweta को आदित्य का diet food बहुत अजीब लगता था. Shweta adds, he was either eating paneer dal or chicken the entire time. I like different food. I can't be like him. When asked about Shweta's career plans post-marriage, Aditya ने कहा कि उनकी wife lazy और unambitious है and can spend the whole day doing nothing. But he quickly added that she is extremely intelligent and has dabbled in many different career paths already. She is currently a fashion designer and also wants to try her hand at organic farming someday. While Aditya and Shweta are settling down into married life, his father Udit Narayan has very proudly shared pictures of letters he received from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and superstar Amitabh Bachchan. उदित जी ने दोनों के लेटर्स को बहुत गर्व से अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल पे शेयर किया and thanked Modi ji and Amit ji for taking the time to bless his son and daughter-in-law. Looks like the Narayan family is very happy, but अगर happily ever after रहना चाहते हैं आदित्य जी, तो प्लीज अपनी बीवी की बुराइयां करने से बचिए।
प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज़ ब्रेक के बाद भी बाकी है बहुत कुछ खास। सो स्टे विद अस।
Controversy is king in Bollywood. And it looks like Rhea Chakraborty's unfortunate involvement in the Sushant Singh Rajput case has made her next film Chehre, that has stars like Imran Hashmi and Amitabh Bachchan, a hot property. According to unconfirmed reports, an OTT platform has reportedly shelled out a premium amount to acquire the rights to the film, which will have a direct web release like so many other films this year.
Rhea Chakraborty underwent a tremendous ordeal after Sushant's family filed an FIR against her, accusing her of abetting Sushant's demise and siphoning off funds from his account. She was later sent to jail as well when her name appeared in chats related to the procurement and consumption of banned substances. Rhea was also subjected to a brutal trial by media before being released on bail after none of the accusations against her could be proved in court. The actor, who has kept away from the public eye since her release, may now have something to cheer about, with reports of her film Chehre finally getting an OTT release.
As theatres remained closed from March this year, several big, medium and small budget films have opted for an online release to minimize losses. All the major OTT platforms in India have signed deals and acquired the most highly anticipated film that couldn't release in theatres this year. We now hear that the movie Chehre, which stars Amitabh Bachchan, Imran Hashmi and Rhea Chakraborty, may be getting an OTT release after being delayed by several months due to the pandemic. The makers of Chehre were looking to release the film on an OTT platform. And now we hear कि एक leading OTT platform ने चेहरे को acquire करने के लिए बहुत बड़ा amount offer किया है. Apparently, there were other contenders trying to acquire Chehre as well. But this particular platform allegedly offered a much higher amount to seal the deal. Though the movie does have a huge star like Amitabh Bachchan, sources say that it is Rhea Chakraborty's association with the project that has made it a highly valued one. Unfortunate and brutal as it sounds, Bollywood में movies, entertainment और controversy की वजह से खूब चलती है. Sadly, the tremendous media attention Rhea received recently may have, in a strange twist of fate, added to the interest level people may show in watching a movie starring her. According to a source, it is the harsh reality of business. Essentially, the OTT platform could be looking at the fact that since Chehre also stars Rhea Chakraborty, audience from across the spectrum will be drawn to watch the film for different motives.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now. Thank God it's Friday. You guys have a great weekend, but stay home and stay safe.